How do you grow your TikTok account? Are you not getting the engagement you need to grow your account? Let me tell you the secret. What do we know about the TikTok algorithm? Well, we know it loves watch time and it loves engagement. So how do we get around those two? The first 4 seconds of that video need to draw in the attention of whoever you're trying to talk to. You need to have something on there that something they want to know about. The first 4 seconds, that's the golden moment. If you don't get engagement in the first few seconds of the video, TikTok will not push out your video and it'll die at the 200 views. Well, what do? You have to get somebody to watch your video all the way to the end. That means you've got to put something on that they want to hear. Second, you need to get engagement. Ask a question. Say something that people want to talk about. Respond to the comments. Always respond to your comments. Do not ghost your comments, because every time that you respond to a comment, that person gets your response and they'll come back to the video. You know what that means? More engagement. And that's what we're looking for. We need people to get on that video. We need them to watch it all the way to the end, and we need them to comment about it, to like it, to share it, to save it, to bookmark it for later. Every time somebody puts something on that video and comes back to it or goes over to look at it again or looks on it to say, hey, whatever you said was wrong, don't do that. And now you've got this whole argument going back and forth. You know what that is? More engagement. That's what we need. So like and follow for more, and I'll tell you more of those TikTok secrets.